Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share all the little things we do in our daily life that help me find my life passion. I update on Tuesdays and Fridays. On Tuesdays, I will update some interesting and exciting moments in my life. And on Fridays, I will share some easy yet classic Chinese food recipes that you can cook from fresh, and most importantly, you can get it done within a couple minutes. Without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, we're making stir-fried rice with shrimp and egg. This is one of my kids' absolute favorite meals. If you find my videos are helpful, please subscribe my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I pre-cooked some white rice. Once it's done, put the cooked rice into a big white bowl. I am using gluten-free soy sauce today, and I use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce to marinate all the white rice. In my experience, this will make the rice a lot more flavorful. Now mix the soy sauce with the white rice. I also prepared 4 eggs, some frozen fully cooked shrimp, which you can purchase from Costco, Sam's Club, or any other grocery stores, some green onions, some salt, chicken powder, and gluten-free soy sauce. I use chicken powder to enhance the flavor. You don't have to use it at all if you don't want to, or you can consider using sesame oil instead. After marinating the rice, I sprinkle some salt into the raw eggs and stir it up. Then time to cut the green onions into small pieces. Make sure your fingers are away from the knife. Green onions is one of my most favorite fresh ingredients, since it adds such a beautiful, subtle flavor into all the dishes I cook. Plus the color looks wonderful as well. Now all the preparation is done. Turn the stove on high. Warm up the oil. I am using canola oil today. I usually try not to use too much oil. As long as the oil covers the bottom of the wok, you're fine. Pour eggs into the wok. Keep on stirring the eggs until they are fully cooked. Takes about 1 minute. I sprinkle some salt, just a little bit. Then you can see the eggs are getting cooked, becoming very puffy, golden color. Now time to pour the frozen shrimp into the wok. I'm using a little bit more than 2 cups of frozen shrimp. You can add a little more or use a little less. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes for the shrimp to get warmed up. I'm sprinkling a little bit more salt. And now I added around half of the green onion pieces. Now my whole kitchen is filled with the aroma from this dish. Now time to add the marinated white rice into the wok. Stir everything up. Now I'm adding a little bit more salt. And I also decided to add a little bit more soy sauce, around 1 tablespoon into the rice, just to make the flavor a little stronger. You don't have to if you prefer less salty meal. And at this moment, I have just turned off my stove. The remaining heat of the wok will do the job. I poured the rest of the green onions into the wok and keep on stirring. I'm adding a tiny bit of chicken powder into the rice, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Again, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. Even without chicken powder, it's tasty enough. Now you're all done.